Okay guys, what I want to show you today is the fastest rapid deployment ridgeline system I've ever seen. It's based on two Nite Ize S hooks. One that is on the line that slides and one that is at the end of this bowling loop. We'll talk about how to rig that for rapid deployment system after the fact, but for now, I want to show you how fast it really is. So, we've got two trees up here. They're both in camera view. When I get over to the tree, we'll say go. You can watch the timer on your YouTube channel and see how fast it really is. Here we go. All right, ready? Go. Time. Okay, so from my count while I'm watching the video here and replaying it to myself, without a clock, I counted about 25 seconds. That's pretty dang fast. Now you say, well, how hard is that thing to get down? I'm gonna show you. It's that hard to get down, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is slide just one beaner that's crossways on here, all the way to the top, and hang my line as normal. And I'm ready to go, ready to move, ready to set the next shelter. Okay, let's look at this kind of up close now and see what happens, all right? So you've got your rapid deployment ridgeline. When you pull this to go around the tree, as you're pulling out, what you're doing is you're pulling this carabiner with you, and you're pulling the line out, just like this, enough to get around the tree, okay? Once you put that line around the tree, and you're still pulling on this carabiner as you go, right? When you get around this tree, all you have to do is go one time through the clip, two times through the clip. That creates a half hitch. When you draw that down with that tail, that long tail is key, it's tight. To get it out, all you have to do is break the half hitch, and it's gonna come undone. If you want it tight, grab the tail, pull it down, it's gonna stay tight, okay? So that part's really, really simple. We'll leave that on here and we'll go to the other side of the tree. Now, as we walk, we have to take this with us, okay? So as we're walking, we're pulling this along the way. I've got this in my hand, and I'm pulling the ridge line out of the coil as I go, just like this, okay? And now I'm gonna go around this tree, but I'm gonna leave this behind. So now I'm coming around the tree with my coil, just like this, and now I can move this line, move this clip, to where I need it, and pull this out. And now I'm at this clip, and this is gonna be my tensioning device. So all I need to do here is go around this clip one time, two times, and then through this clip one time with the line around the tree, and that becomes my tensioner. Now this is locked and it won't let this clip slide against this rope, so I can tension this down, and then once I've got this under tension, it's as simple as coming over the top with a loop, pulling a bite through it to create a slippery half hitch, and tightening it up against the carabiner. And I'm done. Getting it undone is just as easy. Pull it out, drop it out of the clip, just like that. Once, twice out, leave this on the line, and go to the other end, and you're done. So if you look at this Nite Ize clip, it says it's only good for 5 pounds or 2.2 kilograms. But I'm telling you now, I put a whole lot more force than that on it, and it didn't hurt it a bit. And all the stress you're really putting on this is from rope tension. You're not hanging your body off of anything, so it doesn't have to hold a lot. But I've cranked on these things pretty hard, and I haven't bent one yet. Now, all you're gonna do with this for your rope tackle is you're going to come around it one time, two times, and that's not gonna let it slide down the line anymore at that point. Then you can use this end for your rope tackle. Makes it really, really simple. And when you're done, all you have to do is go out, out, and then leave it on the line. All right, guys, listen, I love re-engineering and messing with and figuring out quicker ways to do things. What makes things more efficient? What takes less time to get things done, because when I get to camp, I just want to get camp set up and get it over with. But in an emergency, you may have to do it really, really fast. So what is the quickest way you can develop muscle memory to get something done? And I truly believe that this system is awesome. And the cost of these S Biners, you can buy a 5-pack of them on Amazon for almost nothing. So you put 2 of them on your Ridgeline along with 2 Prusik loops, and you still got 3 to spare for other things. You can set up 2 Ridgelines, put 1 in each pack for that matter, and still have 1 left over. So it's not an expensive thing, and they don't weigh anything. So you're not adding a bunch of weight to your line to put these on there, because they literally weigh almost nothing, and they're made of stainless steel. All right, guys, well, I appreciate you joining me out here today for this quick video on a new rapid deployment Ridgeline system. This is the newest system that I've come up with. Doesn't mean I may not come up with something better later, but 25 seconds, that's a fast Ridgeline. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, for our business, all of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends. And I'll be back with another video as soon as I can, guys. Thanks.